Hi dear friends, welcome back to the lecture series of English literature. Today in this video we'll be looking at one of the eminent literary figures of Puritan age known as John Milton, who is known as the last Renaissance writer, and also many other names are given to him. He composed an epic known as Paradise Lost that we'll see in this video, and also individually we will have an individual video about Paradise Lost. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it, and also visit my website www.highpoint.in so that you get an idea about how and what you need to study for your NTA UGC NET JRF English Language and Literature exam paper 2. There, after having the free trial, you can see the entire materials that we are sharing there, and if you are interested to have all of them, please you are most welcome to join us as a student and have all the bonuses, free bonuses of personalized study guidelines and Saturday's free weekly test that we are providing free to our students. Okay, and also follow me on Instagram if you're also there on Instagram for a variety of materials. At the same time, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to it and press the bell icon while you subscribe. And after watching this video, if you like this video, please press the like button too, and promote this video to your friends and family members, those who are also in need of such videos. Okay, about John Milton, this is going to be a very short video because in detail his works will be studied and analyzed and discussed in detail in individual videos that we are not going to do in here. Okay, that will make this video unnecessarily lengthy. We will see first of all the life and personal life and literary career of John Milton. John Milton belongs to the Puritan age, 17th century of English literature. English poet. He was an English poet and polemist. Milton was born in London in 1608, and his father was a scrivener and a music composer. At Cambridge, he was known as the Lady of Christ because his physical appearance was so feminine. That's why he was known as the Lady of Christ. During his Cambridge years, Milton became friends with Edward King, to whom he later dedicated an elegy known as Lycidas. Okay, he composed a pastoral elegy known as Lycidas, in which Milton mourns over the death of Edward King, who drowned in a shipwreck, okay, while he was making a voyage. At Cambridge, he wrote a number of poems such as On the Morning of Christ's Nativity. So this is considered as his first major composition, Milton's first major composition, On the Morning of Christ's Nativity. His epitaph on the admirable dramatic poet W. Shakespeare. This was another composition by him, epitaph on the admirable dramatic poet W. Shakespeare, and perhaps also his companion poems also he composed during this time while he was in Cambridge, which is the companion poems by Milton, El Allegro and Il Penseroso. Do remember that, El Allegro and Il Penseroso. Now, El Allegro means the happy man, while Il Penseroso meant the melancholy man. In these companion pieces, Milton compares and contrasts two impulses in human nature. So these two are El Allegro and Il Penseroso. These are companion poems by Milton, and in which he compares and contrasts two impulses of human nature and how these two impulses are simultaneously present in every other human beings. The active and the contemplative, the social and the solitary, the mirthful and melancholic, the cheerful and meditative, and the erotic and platonic. So these are the contrast impulses that he finds in every human beings, and that is so inbuilt in every other human beings. In 1638, he embarked on a tour to France and Italy after his studies. So after completing his studies, he went to a European tour, especially to the countries of France and Italy in 1638. He thrice married in his lifespan. He married 3 times in his lifespan. And Milton was appointed as Secretary for Foreign Tongues by the Council of States in March 1649. and he was so good at languages. Okay, he was a scholar in Latin, he was a scholar in English, and also he was appointed as a secretary for foreign tongues by the Council of States in March 1649. In 1652 he lost his eyesight. Okay, so that was a dark year in his life, since he lost his eyesight in the year 1642. So after that, okay, after that he composed his eminent works such as Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained, and Samson Agonistes as well. After the restoration, so in 1660 Charles II got restored to the throne of England. Milton was arrested as a defender of the Commonwealth, fined, soon released. So he was arrested because he was a supporter of Commonwealth and Cromwell, Oliver Cromwell, and he supported Puritanism. So he supported Commonwealth. He was arrested after the restoration of Charles II to the throne, and he got fined, and soon after that he got released. He spent the rest of his life writing the famous Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained, and Samson Agonistes. Milton died out of gout in 1674. Now let's see his major works. El Allegro 1631, El Penseroso 1631, Comus is a mask. Comus was published in the year 1634. Lycidas is a pastoral elegy, published in 1638. Poems of Mr. Milton, both English and Latin. This is an anthology. It's a collection of poems by him, published in the year 1645. On the Late Massacre in Piedmont, published in the year 1655, Paradise Lost in 1667, and Paradise Regained in 1671, Samson Agonistes in 1671, and Poems Composed Upon Several Occasions, published in 1673. Okay, I'll read the titles again. Read along with me and pause the video, or else you can pause the video and read these titles and the year of publication for 5-6 times. Okay, so that you memorize them. Okay, El Allegro, Il Penseroso, Comus. Lycidas, Poems of Mr. Milton, both English and Latin. On the Late Massacre in Piedmont, Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained, Samson Agonistes. Samson Agonistes is a closet drama. Closet drama means it's a biblical drama too. Okay, closet drama means it is not intended for performance on the stage, but you can read and enjoy this drama. And the last one is Poems Composed Upon Several Occasions, published in 1673. I think that's all about John Milton. This was a short video, and we will discuss important works individually in the upcoming lecture series. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed and you want to get notification when I upload them, you can press the subscribe button and the bell icon too, so that you get a notification. Okay, and don't forget to visit my website, and at the same time follow me on Instagram for variety of materials, and use the WhatsApp number if you have any more further queries, doubts, or if you want to know anything related to the course that we are providing there. Okay, that's all about it. Meet in the next video session. Until then, stay tuned to High Point and be happy, guys. Tata, bye bye, thank you.